How to create websites using YouWare AI. First, open your web browser and go to youware.com. Then, sign in with your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the YouWare dashboard, enter a prompt describing the website you want to build. For example, type, "Create a modern personal portfolio website with a homepage, about section, projects gallery, skills, and a contact form using a clean blue and white design." After entering your prompt, click Generate. YouWare AI will automatically build your website with pages, layouts, navigation menus, and sample content based on your description. Once your website is ready, review the design and customize it. You can edit the text, replace images, change colors, update fonts, and rearrange sections to match your style. After making your changes, preview the website to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, click Publish to make your website live. If available, you can also connect a custom domain or use the hosted link provided by YouWare AI. That's it. You've successfully created a website using YouWare AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, website building tips,